Hi everybody, my name is Doug and I wanted to demonstrate the power of Google Hangout. I bet many of you have participated in a Google Hangout, and as if you've read in this week's module a little bit more about what it is, how it can be used, and just how effective of a tool this is. And the best part is that it's free. So this is something you already have if you have a Google account, which I bet most of you do, and whether you realize it or not. I wanted to demonstrate the power of the administrative side of doing a Google Hangout. As noted, if you've participated in the office hours during this course or a previous course that you've had with me, you have seen Google Hangout and its impact and what it can do. So I want to demonstrate two features for you specifically for Google Hangout in terms of being able to create a link for you to get something that's going there. So if you have not, make sure you create your Google account. And you do that by essentially you can sign in just going through Google. If you have a Gmail account, that's the same thing. You have a Google account. For those of you that have multiple Google accounts, you want to make sure that you have the right one that you're going to be using for the benefit of this demonstrations here. The first thing I want to do is I want to show you how to create a Google Hangout link. And what's great about the Google Hangout link is that it can be reusable whenever you do send it out. If you want to just simply have a static meeting that you're going to have, say, on a weekly basis, and you just want to have it for the public and give it to them, as long as you're the originator of the meeting, you can do that. So you'll do that by going to, as you can see here, you'll always start at hangouts.google.com, but in order to get that going, you'll go to Start. See, now you're going to notice that it's actually brought me on screen, and you can do this. It's here. So you're going to see that your link here, in order to start a Google Hangout link, is right here. It's up in here, or you can see that you're going to copy to share. It's copied to the clipboard. So really, the link that I've sent out and I've used for this course with the office hours has been a product of the Google Hangout Start application, and you can go ahead and do that. Okay, the second thing that I want to show you is how to create a Google Hangout from using the calendar feature. So if you're someone that is collaborating with subject matter experts, as I used in the previous example, you can use this and you can actually go in and create a specific calendar invite, which here, as you can see, I have an office hour that was scheduled here that was earlier in the course, and you notice that the date of which is here. So I want to go ahead and show you how to create a Google Calendar invite to do so. First, as in the previous demonstration, make sure you're logged into your Google account, and then you'll go to calendar.google.com, and that will go ahead and bring up your calendar. If you want to schedule a meeting out into the future and you use the Hangout tool, let's just pick a date. We'll say we're going to go November 10th, 2017, and I want this meeting to be on my calendar is Eastern Standard Base. I want to go ahead and click on the invite that I want. Now, here's the real thing that you want to do. First of all, you always want to title the event. So if we call this office hour for edX teaching, or whatever we want to call this. You've got your time zone, all this works, whatever. But the key to enabling a Google Hangout for this is that you have to add the video call. So now that you have this, anyone that you invite to this meeting invite now will be automatically generated the Google Hangout link. So that's going to be a private link that those only with the invitation will be able to access. It's a great way to collaborate with just a few people, or you can have 10. Again, Google does have some limitations based on broadband. If you do not have a very high bandwidth in your home network, you'll see a little bit of choppiness in there. But again, really effective tool for collaboration in any learning capacity. Face-to-face, virtual collaboration, instructor, any profession, it can be used anywhere. So just a little bit of demonstration of the power of Google. In case you didn't know that you had it, it's right here at your fingertips, and I really hope you enjoy it. Thanks everybody. Talk to you in the course.